Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you what was inside of the latest edition of Qatar Airways Amenity Kit. It's the Diptyque Amenity Kit today. Please follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So here's a look at the kit. Now this one was a FIFA World Cup kit. I did get this on the 31st of December. Nice pattern on the inside. So yeah, I noticed a lot of things were still themed with the World Cup on this flight. So in the amenity kit, you've got earplugs, you've got an eye mask, you've got socks, and you've got the Diptyque set of Diptyque things. So face lotion, hand cream, and lip balm, as well as some kind of fragrance spray that they have with that. So just thought I would show you what's inside of the latest Qatar Airways Amenity Kit featured with Diptyque products. As always, I do appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.